Tamara Basic Tees here. I'm going to show you how to make a darted triangle top this week. So let's start sewing. So we're going to start at the serger, and we're going to sew the darts on the triangle tops in the very beginning on both sides. I usually start at the top where it's not cut and then just sew it through. Now you could use fray check, but I always just kind of ended up tying, I decided the best way was just to tie a knot at the top of the dart. And the reason I started making these is because regular triangle tops with the piping on the side seem to indent into the sides of women's breasts. It gives it like more of a natural look, and without the dart it kind of like pushes your breasts down. So if you're a smaller busted woman, it just makes your breasts look so much nicer with these darts in it. So now I'm going to sew the serger stitch at the bottom because I like that finished stitch. So now we're going to move on to the zigzag machine or the cover stitch machine. So along with the two triangle top pieces, I also have two pieces of piping that are going to make up the neck ties and the one that goes under the bust. So you're going to do a 1/2 inch hem on both sides of each triangle top piece, and I'll show you how to finish this top part right here. So I'll go a little slower here. On this end piece, you're gonna like just tuck it in. You're just gonna make a little tuck for it, and then you're gonna fold this back over it. So it's gonna look like that. And then you sew it through, so this is finished off and this is tucked in. Now we're gonna sew our piping pieces. Now that we're done with all those pieces, we're going to go over to the straight stitch machine, or you're going to change your zigzag machine to a straight stitch. I'm just going to do the bottom of the loophole. You just kind of fold it over. So after you've done the bottom of both of those pieces, I cut one of these piping pieces in half. I just need to sew it to the inside top of the triangle top. And I just kind of set it on there because I tucked that in. And then I usually just sew it a couple times. It's pretty easy. So now that that's all sewn together, you're going to take this little contraption and you're just going to string both of the triangle top pieces through it. And then you're going to put your bottom string through it. So that was a quick tutorial on how to make a darted triangle top. See, it's got the little dart so it doesn't really squish your breasts down that much. You can check out the PDF pattern of them at basicteesboutique.com and basictees.com. Don't forget to subscribe if you're finding what I'm dishing out educational and helpful to you. Until next time, stay sexy. Bye.